Hi Stampers, Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. Today's video is just a little bit different. I have 5 cards to share with you. They're all monochromatic, and if that's a term you've never heard, it simply means one color. We're using the same color ink as the same color cardstock. They're super simple when you do that because there's no coloring. You don't need a bunch of stamp pads. You can do them in any color. It's really almost like a sip video, although I've added a little bit of ribbon on a couple and some punches, but I'll show them to you. But the purpose of this video mostly is to kind of give you a little warning. Those of you that love Stampin' Up! Colors, we are almost ready to retire 5 colors, and they have been gorgeous ones. I am crying over these colors, especially the greens. Now, as you know, Stampin' Up! Every 2 years, they retire what they call their in colors. They come out with new ones every year. They're around for 2 hours, and then poof, they're gone. So I share this with you for a couple of reasons. Sometime soon here in April, we're going to get the Stampin' Up! Retired list. Once the retired list is officially published, that means that any consumable type supplies on this retired list, like paper, inks, refillers, reinkers, whatever you call them, those things are while supplies last. And it happens every single year. The in-color stuff that's going away sells out really fast. So I'm kind of giving you a forewarning here in March that if there are in-colors from the 2017 to 2019 collection that you really love, grab them now. Grab them in March while you can still get celebration benefits, and you know you can still get them. If you have those pads already, make sure you get the refills if you don't have them yet, because then your pads will last you forever and ever, but stock up on the gorgeous cardstock. Now, that said, let's flip the camera down. I want to show you some fun monochromatic cards that I think might surprise you, and it's using all of these colors as kind of one last hurrah with them. So let's flip the camera down. So these are our 5 colors that are going to be retiring: Fresh Fig, Powder Pink, Berry Burst, Tranquil Tide, and Lemon Lime Twist. Love them all, but my 2 favorite that I'm crying over are Tranquil Tide and Lemon Lime Twist. These colors have been a staple. I've used them a ton. So like I said, if you have these pads already, make sure you grab those reinkers before the retired list comes out in April and their while supplies last, and stock up on the cardstock. And there's a lot of other products, and I will have a link down in the description of this video to a blog post that will show you all of the in-color products that I know for sure will be retiring, and kind of a reminder of what you might want to pick up before it's gone. Another thing, and I only have 3 of them here, but this beautiful ruffled ribbon, this stuff's gorgeous. This is one of those ribbons I wish Stampin' Up! Would give us in all the colors, but that's this will be retiring too because it's in colors. Now, like I said, I'm really not even going to stamp today. I've been doing a lot of SIP videos lately, stamps, ink, and paper. I have some SIP cards to share with you, and I wanted to just kind of feature what's called a monochromatic card because I don't do these very often. Monochromatic simply means I'm using the same color ink as cardstock. That's it. It doesn't get any easier than this. This is a stamp set that I don't know why I haven't used it before. I've had it for a while. All the good things. It's beautiful. The detail in the stamp is beautiful, and it lends itself perfect to monochromatic, which is about as quick and easy as it can get. Layered some cardstock. Don't worry about the measurements. I'll have them over in the blog post for you if you'd like to recreate this card. This is one stamp. I stamped it, I layered it, put it onto the same color cardstock. Everything's Tranquil Tide here. And then on the inside, a couple other images. Bam, we're done. The same with this one right here. Again, one image with the greeting and the picture, added a little bit on the inside, and we're done. These are great cards just to send for fun to someone. You know, I really encourage you, don't just think birthday, okay? I think that's where we all tend, but anytime that you can pop a handmade card into the mail to someone, what fun is it to get happy mail? So those two use the stamp set, all the good things. And there is our Tranquil Tide color and Fresh Fig. let's set that aside. And then I pulled out an older set here. Now, when you're talking monochromatic, sometimes I add black in it. I don't know if the technically by art terms or whatever, but I never follow art terms anyway. So this one was super simple. Floral phrases. I just stamped the floral image and then flipped it upside down. I added my greeting and a little bit of that ribbon. So this is the powdered pink glimmer ribbon. That'll be gone as well. But look at how just wrapping a little piece of ribbon, taped it on the back with Scotch tape. Super duper simple card. Stamped the inside as well, and bam, we're done. So that is our powdered pink. And then here we have Berry Burst and Lemon Lime Twist. Now again, I added black. You know, black's been kind of my go-to color a lot. You see me use it a lot. I think it just makes stuff pop, no matter what color you're using it with. So this is Woodward's. This is kind of a hidden stamp set. I haven't used it for a long time, but I love this floral image. I just stamped it twice. I took a piece of that beautiful ruffled ribbon, wrapped it around, tied it, and then I did use my oval thinlits here to cut out my greeting. You know, there's a lot of fun greetings right now in various stamp set. Calls for Celebration has this, I may not always be there. Friendly Conversation, Because of You. I mean, perfect card just to send to someone. And they work perfect for these monochromatic cards. Quick and easy, one stamp, 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 cut my greeting out, tied a little ribbon around it, stamped the inside, and we're done with that. And just a couple of pearls on that one. And then, you know, here's another peek at this one. So, quick video today, and I know I didn't stamp, but I'll have all the recipes of these listed for you guys. So if you'd like to make these cards or use the layout for one of your own, but I really wanted to feature our in colors that'll be retiring. Fresh Fig, Tranquil Tide, Powder Pink, Lemon Lime Twist, I think that one I'm crying over the most, and Berry Burst. So make sure you check my website for all the details, and if you'd like to order any products that are in these 2017, 2019 in colors that are leaving, make sure you do it yet in March. Number one, you'll get celebration benefits. Number two, if it's $50, remember you'll also get my Stampin' Rewards, and you'll make sure you won't lose out, because it makes me really sad come April, that retired list, stuff sells out fast, and then people are upset they can't get, especially cardstock and reinkers. So if you have any questions, as always, let me know. I'm here to help you with all your stamping needs and anything I can do for you. So until I get to stamp with you again, I promise the next video I will be stamping. Have a stamp happy day.